We're now above 7,600 cases total, 1,117 more than this time yesterday. Another 75 people have died in Michigan, bringing the total up to 259. Nearly 90% of the deaths are from Metro Detroit. Michigan, though, now the third highest in deaths in the U.S. And tonight we're hearing from the family of the Kent County man who died from COVID-19. Lee Burns was 71 years old, a great-grandfather who lived in Kentwood, and a man his family said had a heart of gold. His daughter talked with us, saying they weren't really thinking about coronavirus when they first brought him to Blodgett Hospital back on March 9th.
Something happening over in the other countries. Oh, wow, we have our first case here in the United States. Yeah, but it's not going to do anything. I really wasn't paying that much attention. Even when they said they needed to test him for the coronavirus, and this is after the hospitals went into lockdown, we're like, well, they're just doing it as precaution. There's no real reason. We never thought it could have happened to him.
Burns had a weakened immune system. He had just finished a round of chemotherapy last May and had dealt with heart and liver issues as well. His family says they were able to say goodbye to him through an iPad minutes before he was taken off of life support. We're also learning more after several of you reached out about a nursing home in northern Kent County. 31 residents and 5 staff members have tested positive at the Metron in Cedar Springs. We're told the patients are being isolated away from other healthy residents who live there, but it's enough to put everyone on edge, including a staff member who told us they're afraid to go to work. Metron says they've restricted visitors and are conducting screenings for anyone who enters the facility. They would not grant us an interview, but they did release a statement saying in part, quote, "The health, safety, and well-being of our residents and our staff members is our top priority as we navigate this global pandemic and unprecedented health crisis." Students and parents should have an answer soon about the rest of the school year. Governor Whitmer says she's scheduled an announcement for Thursday to talk about state plans for the coming weeks and months. Last night, Bridge Magazine reported that the remainder of this school year will be canceled.